In this video Ask a Master, I am going to demonstrate how you can make words disappear, as you have seen in some lessons. And this is a question that's been asked from a variety of users. And so I'm going to demonstrate it via tearing apart a lesson, and I'll show you exactly how to do this technique. So here's the lesson in question, and I'm going to take this and demonstrate to you how it's done. A little bit of setup here. This lesson is designed for users, students, or whoever to bring up these different ideas, and if they still show up here on the note card on the piece of paper, then those are the correct ideas. And if they don't show up, they simply disappear, then that tells you that that's a wrong idea. So you can see how we can easily get students involved in classifying information. It's just really an easy technique that I'm going to show you how to do. So these two are apparently the wrong answers, and you can tell that very easily because they don't stay on the screen. So I'm going to show you how this is done. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to go ahead and unlock everything on the screen. Many times users lock down everything on the screen so they can't be manipulated. So to show you how this is done, I'm going to right click on the screen and say unlock all. And that's going to show us the different aspects from the title, from the piece of paper that's being used, and then there's also a background image sitting on the slide. So in fact, to make things a little bit easier, I'm going to delete this background simply because it's going to make things a little bit easier, and I'll show you why in just a second. So I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to bring this piece of paper back over, and then we have our different criteria here. So what this involves are different layers, if you will, on the screen. Everything you build on your lesson is a different layer of that particular file. So the piece of paper is one layer, and each one of these are a separate layer also. So what we're going to take advantage of is something called object ordering. So as you can see right now, this text box sits on top of that piece of paper. I'm going to put it right over here on the left side so you can see something. And what I can do is I can right click and come down here to order, and under order you have four options: front, back, forward, or backward. And what this allows you to do is to choose the level that object that you've selected will sit. So I'm going to choose back, and you're going to see that part of it disappears, and that's simply because I have slid it underneath, or I have put it underneath the piece of paper. And that's something that I would design in advance for my students, and they wouldn't see it in advance, but it allows them, if they drag it in the right place and it's supposed to be shown, it will show up on the top. So again, all I needed to do is select this, right click it, and come down here to order, and either front, back takes you all the way to the front, all the way to the back, or you can stepwise through things, backwards, forwards, but I would suggest using the front or back because you might have a variety of levels to step through if you go step by step. So if I want to bring that right back to the front, I can simply come up here to order and say front, and it's back on the front. So that is using the ordering tool that takes advantage of layers. So kind of just to recap this particular technique, it's a very simple technique. You'll see it a lot in lessons, and it's just a very, very easy way for students to get involved in the process. Again, you simply want to create some sort of object that will allow words to hide behind it. You saw that piece of paper. To do that, you would then want to create text boxes or graphics, any other objects that you want students to manipulate, and then you would have to go through the process of selecting those and changing the order or the level that those appear based upon your particular lesson plans, and it's really that simple. And as always, if there is anything else that we can help with, please don't hesitate to let us know, either via the Ask a Master section on MimioConnect or simply contact us through MimioConnect.com.